Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on 3D mode on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the three line at the upper left corner, click to the settings and tap to the second option, the navigation, and in the interface section you can find the fourth option, the 3D mode. When enabled, the notice always up mode is disabled. If you want to turn on, click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.